Welcome to JH. Force Factor Hair Growth Accelerator just dropped, and honestly, I'm kind of obsessed. This isn't your typical, oh look, another hair vitamin situation. This one actually feels different. The brand promises thicker, stronger hair in just 3 weeks, which is a bold claim for anyone who isn't a wizard. I've been looking into these mixed berry soft chews and capsules that everyone is buzzing about to see if they're legit or just another overhyped product targeting the follicle deprived. Because let's face it, we're all one bad haircut away from a breakdown. The secret sauce here is a doctor-formulated blend featuring Lustriva, which is basically biotin and silicon that's 40 times more absorbable than the standard stuff. They also threw in vitamin D, E, collagen, and ashwagandha for good measure. You can choose between capsules for the serious people or soft chews that taste like candy. Because nothing says advanced clinical science like a supplement that tastes like a snack you'd find in a toddler's lunchbox. Now, let's talk about what this stuff actually does. Lustriva isn't just marketing fluff. It's been clinically tested to increase hair thickness starting in 3 weeks. That's impressive if true, though individual results definitely vary. Some users report a difference in just 2 weeks, while others with thinning hair saw quality improvements after 3 months. But let's be real. These are not miracle pills. If you're expecting to wake up with a lion's mane after 1 dose, you're living in a fantasy world. These supplements are designed to fill nutritional gaps that might be holding your hair back. If you're already eating a perfect diet and living a stress-free life, the benefits might be minimal. Think of this as insurance rather than magic. It's perfect for those of us who are stressed, not eating great, or just cursed with naturally thin hair. You do have to take them consistently for months to see real results. Apparently, patience is a requirement, which is unfortunate for those of us with the attention span of a goldfish. The biggest complaints usually come from people expecting dramatic results overnight, which simply isn't realistic for any supplement. You can grab these on Amazon, Target, or directly from Force Factor. Both the chews and capsules are designed for men and women, which is a nice change since most brands act like hair growth is gender-specific. The formula claims to support all 4 stages of growth, from new development to preventing shedding. It's a tall order, but the ingredient list actually backs it up quite well. My honest take. Force Factor isn't going to turn you into Rapunzel by tomorrow morning, but it might help you reach your hair's full potential if you have some nutritional gaps. The ingredients are research-backed, the safety profile is solid, and real people are actually seeing a difference. It turns out your hair needs more than just caffeine and bad decisions to grow. If you're dealing with thinning or slow growth, it's worth a shot. Just keep your expectations in check. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe. I break down the latest tools every week across every niche you actually care about. Check out the newest review or the playlist and let me know in the comments. Is this a win or a pass?